All right, this is Ubaid on behalf of Electronics, and in this video, we'll focus on exponents and scientific notation. Okay, now for those of you who don't know what an exponent is, this is any number on top of your base. Okay, for example, 2.2 times 10 raised to 6, the exponent is 6 for the base 10. All right, further down, 3.397 times 10 raised to negative 11, the exponent is a negative exponent, which is negative 11 for the base 10. Okay, so let's solve a few problems over here. We'll focus on word problems. Okay, a dime is the thinnest coin in US currency. A dime's thickness measures 1.35 by 10 raised to negative 3 meters. Rewrite this number in standard notation. Okay, so we need to write this number in standard notation. This is 1.35. Okay, let's say 1.35 times 10 raised to negative 3 meters. All right, so in order for you to write this in standard notation, this will be 0.12135. Okay, this is meters. All right, so basically, if this is a negative exponent, you're going back, okay, rather than moving forward. So if you look at the number line over here, let's say this is your number line, and let's say this is 0. Okay, you're basically going back 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 places. So over here, this will be 0.001 because this will be 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so 0.00135 meters. All right, next up, further down, the average distance between Earth and Sun is 92,960,000 miles. Okay, rewrite this distance using scientific notation. Okay, so when we talk about turning a standard notation into a scientific notation, we're talking about adding exponents. Okay, so in order for you to add the exponent, you will need to place your decimal place between 9 and 2. Okay, right over here. And you will need to figure out how many exponents you will need to add for you to get this standard notation over here. All right, so let's go ahead and solve this one as well. So let's say the distance is 92,960,000 miles. All right, so we turn this into scientific notation. We'll go back over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 decimal places. All right, the decimal will be between 9 and 2, so this will be 9.2. And if you want to count up to 2 sig figs, this will be 9.30. Okay, times this by 10 raised to. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 decimal places, right? So 7. All right. So let's go ahead and solve another one. A terabyte is made up of approximately so and so bytes. Okay, this is the standard notation. Rewrite in scientific notation. Okay, so considering the number of zeros over here, we'll need to move our decimal place between 1 and 0. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so go back here and we'll say to convert, okay, 1. This number over here into scientific notation, this will be 1 point, okay, 1, for example, times 10 raised to, okay, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 10 raised to 12. All right, so 1.1 times 10 raised to 12. All right, so this is basically how you switch between scientific and static notation on behalf of V Electronics. This is Obey. Have yourself a great day.